Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. Today I'm gonna be guiding you through how to turn off Censor Chat in Among Us. If you're an Among Us player just like me, you've probably encountered this Censor Chat feature. In order to turn off that Censor Chat option, first of all, go ahead and open up Among Us application and log in. Once you're in the main menu, tap on the Settings tab at the bottom left. Now, in the Settings menu, you will see Censor Chat option. Simply tap on it and make sure that it turns green. After you turn this on, this will help you block certain words or phrases while chatting on Among Us. And that's how you easily turn on Censor Chat in Among Us. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon so that you never miss out another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.